Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I have with me Noise Shorts Neo 2 and I'll review this earbuds which comes under a price range of 2000 to 2500. You get this in 4 variants, that is Cobalt Blue, Ribbon Black, the one I am using, the Amber Red and Lime Green. So as you can see, this is the packet you get. Here all the specifications are written and it comes with full touch control, hypersync, 20 hours of total playtime and a special gaming mode. So inside this box you get a welcome note and a box under which you get this cute little case where the earbuds are placed. As you can see, this looks amazing. And also inside this you get 3 earphones and 3 earbuds of different sizes, that is small, medium and large. You can use it whichever fits you perfectly, and you get the USB to micro USB type cable. I've bought it recently 2 days back. And other things you get here are the paperworks which you can refer. So as you can see, this is the case. The build quality looks really good. It has the matte finish. Backside you get the micro USB port where you can use it to charge. In front you get the LED indicator. As you can see, the LED indicator is showing red. So there are different modes. So when I open the lid, as you can see here, it is blinking red. So this means the charge is below 60%. You get 3 different LED blinkings. So if it is green, then it is between 60 to 95%, and when it blinks white, it is above 95%, and if it a constant white, then it is fully charged. So you can refer to the manual for better understanding. Above you get the noise branding and backside some specifications, and this looks quite good. Inside these are magnetic buds and the case is also magnetic. Talking about the specification, the case comes with 380 mAh battery with 20 hour playback time in total. The case is magnetic, as I said, and the lid is also magnetic, so there are no chances of the earphones to fall. As you can see, it's not coming out, so the grip is really good. Whenever you open the lid, both the earbuds blink and comes to pairing mode, as you can see. And now as you can see, it is blinking and it is now in the pairing mode. It pairs automatically. It has the auto pair mode with hypersync, that whenever you turn on your Bluetooth, it gets connected automatically. It's very fast. So whenever I take out this earphones, this looks really good and it fits perfectly to my ear size. You can change it, change the earbuds and the earphones accordingly, whichever fits you perfectly according to your ear size. The full area here is the touch sensitive. You can use all the functionalities only by using touch controls. Build quality of these earbuds are really cool. Each earbuds weigh around 4.98 grams with Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, and the range is about 10 meters. It has IPX4 rating, so it is sweat proof and you can use it while running or cycling, or you can take it to gym while working out. So driver size of these earphones are 6 mm, and in single charge it gives up to 4 hours of playback time. To charge this, you can just simply place in this case and it gets charged automatically, and by doing this you can charge it up to 4 to 5 times, and in total you will get around 20 hours of playback time. So as you can see, these are the earphones, in-ear style earphones. So the touch functionalities are to play or pause any song, you just have to double tap on any of the earphones. To go to next song, you have to press and hold the right earphone for 2 seconds and it will go to the next song. For going to the previous song, you can press and hold the left earphone for 2 seconds. To increase the volume, you can tap once on right earphone, and to decrease the volume, you can tap on the left earphone once. To access voice assistance, you can tap 3 times in the left earphone, and to activate gaming mode, which is the plus feature of this earphone, is by tapping the right earphone 3 times. To answer call, you can tap once on either of the earphones to answer, and to end the call you can tap twice on either of the earphone to end. So these are some of the functionalities which you can use. Talking about the comfort of the earphone, these are really good as it has been provided with the fins, ear fins, and the earbuds. As you know, it comes in 3 different sizes, small, medium and large. You can use it whichever fits you perfectly according to your ear style, and it doesn't falls out of the ear even while running or jogging, as it is in-ear type, so the passive noise cancellation is pretty good. The sound quality in this price range is great. So talking about the main sound quality, the bass level you get here is decent. You might not get the punchy bass, but overall bass is balanced and you can listen to any music really crisp and clear. For bass lovers, they might not find it up to the mark. So talking about the mid and low frequency, they are really good. You get to listen crystal clear sound. The call quality in this earphone is pretty good. The person on the other side didn't face any issues regarding the sound quality while I was talking. The mic quality is good. Talking about the overall performance, it is good at this price range and I found it really good. Since it has the dedicated gaming mode, gamers might find it really helpful while playing games, as it will give them low latency mode around 65 to 85 ms, so it will be real nice while playing game. So that's it for this video guys. Hope you like it. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.